So unfortunately, I'm kind of cleaning out the garage to move, but I'm not going to be able to completely repair this thing. But I did tear it down. I figured out that the piston rings went bad, and that damaged the cylinder. Compression got into the crankcase, blew all the oil up into the airbox. It dripped out. It got burnt. Here's the CRF250L death rattle. So yeah, it runs, but you can hear the connecting rod bouncing around on the crank, so it's going to hammer itself to pieces is what's going to happen. So again, maybe I'll fix it, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll get a completely new engine, 250, 300, 500 twin, who knows. 600 Bandit maybe. Whatever I can find cheap that I can slap in here. So that engine is not going to stay in there. It just can't. It's totally junk.